Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the call screening feature is not working on your iPhone running iOS 26. So to do this, first head to the settings app. Now tap on apps. Now in this menu, scroll down and tap on phone. Now here you will need to scroll all the way down and make sure that the screen unknown caller option is set to ask reason for calling. This way your iPhone will first ask the caller the reason why they are calling. If it's already set to ask reason for calling, select never and then select ask reason for calling again. If you still experience problems, I would recommend go to the general settings. Now tap on software update and make sure there are no pending software update. It's a new feature, so it can sometimes fail to work as expected. However, if you still experience problems, then it's likely that the feature is not supported by your carrier or in your current region. In that case, you may have to wait for the feature to become supported in your region or by your carrier. Finally, if the feature is working in some cases but not in others, I would recommend you restarting your iPhone. So simply press this power button in the control center and then use the slider to power off your iPhone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.